If you need to keep your vehicle form rolling while you're working on it, you'll want to do it with confidence. Here are our best picks. Wheel chocks are an essential tool for anyone who works on cars or transports them. These nifty little wedges are an extra line of defense to keep your car, trailer with tandem wheels or RV from moving when it shouldn't. I've used a rock more than once to stabilize my car, but that's not the safest way to do it. Using a wheel chock is the best way to keep your car safe. There are numerous options for cheap wheel chocks, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable wheel chocks from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Genubi Industry Heavy Duty Rubber Wheel Chock with Portable Handle. We like these solid rubber wheel chocks for their 7-inch height, making them ideal for trucks and SUVs with larger tires. These heavy-duty rubber chocks are oil, moisture and UV light resistant and can also withstand extreme temperatures when exposed to the elements behind a vehicle tire. Each chock block weighs 6.2 pounds and has 3 reflective yellow strips for high visibility. There is even a handle to make it easy to position behind a trailer rear wheel. One caveat: many Amazon reviewers say these tire chocks emit a less than pleasant smell and recommend letting them sit outside in the sun for a few days before use. Number 2. Extreme Max Heavy Duty Interlocking Wheel Chock. If you've got a double-axle travel trailer that needs chocking, these Extreme Max Heavy Duty Interlocking tire chocks are a great choice. This plastic wheel chock set can be used singly, but can also be locked together for tandem axle trailers or make a great RV wheel chock. The individual chocks measure 9 inches long by 8 inches wide by 5 inches tall. The interlock tandem wheels configuration for RV tires measures 18 by 8 by 5 inches. These plastic chocks feature a non-slip rubber base and weigh about 3.5 pounds each. Number 3. Abnaok RV Camper Wheel Chocks with Rope. If your car moves at all while the wheels are chocked, you might find it difficult to remove a wheel stop from behind a tire. For those circumstances, we like these Abnaok RV Camper Wheel Chocks for the built-in rope handle. Just one good tug and each RV chock should come free of a car or travel trailer tire. These chocks are made out of bright blue plastic, so they are easy to see, and they weigh only a little more than 1 pound each. Number 4. Camco Wheel Chock. If you're like me, you're always trying to save space in the garage, these plastic Camco wheel chocks are for you. These are stackable, keeping their storage footprint down. These tire chocks work best on cars with a wheel size of up to 26 inches in diameter. Many reviewers found them to not be sturdy enough to use with an RV or heavy travel trailer, though, so consider springing for these chocks for lighter-duty vehicle applications. Each chock weighs 9.6 ounces, and they are made in America to boot. Number 5. Roblock Heavy Duty Rubber Wheel Block with Nylon Rope. These heavy-duty Roblock rubber chocks come with a 30-inch rope to easily pull them out at the same time when chocking the front and rear of a wheel. They are weather and oil resistant and feature reflective tape for easy visibility. They employ molded rubber on each side for plenty of grip. Each wheel stabilizer is pretty heavy, 6.6 pounds, and at only 3.9 inches tall. We recommend using them only on flat surfaces. However, they still get an Amazon customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.